Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,750, comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking gold exterior with a matching brown interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine. The truck's engine runs strong, and the transmission shifts smoothly, making it a dependable classic pickup. It retains much of its originality, featuring power windows and locks, a sliding rear window, tilt steering wheel, and even its original radio and cassette player. Aside from a slow AC leak, all systems function as they should. The body is straight, rust-free, and completely stock except for a set of newer model wheels with tires that still carry good tread. While the truck will eventually need a headliner, it is otherwise well preserved and ready to drive. Offered with a clean and clear South Carolina title in hand, this Chevrolet 1500 represents a solid and authentic example of a classic full-size pickup.
Number 2.
1995 Ford F150, price $9,500. With only 98,000 original miles, it stands out as a low-mileage truck that has clearly been cared for throughout its life. Having had just one owner since new, it carries a history of responsible ownership that adds to its value and appeal. Under the hood, it is powered by Ford's reliable inline-six motor, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that delivers both durability and control, whether on the road or at the job site. The truck runs strong and maintains the solid performance that has made the F-150 a trusted name for decades. Not only does it come with a clean title in hand, but it also retains the timeless charm of a mid-90s Ford pickup, making it attractive not just for practical use but also for enthusiasts who appreciate the classic styling and build quality.
Number 3.
1993 Ford F150, price $10,000, finished in a striking blue exterior paired with a clean black interior.
Powered by gasoline, it features a brand new engine with fewer than 100 miles on it, ensuring long-term reliability and smooth performance.
Every critical component has been replaced or upgraded, giving the next owner not just a truck, but real peace of mind on the road. The vehicle has received extensive updates, including a new distributor, coil, fuel pumps, and gauges, all contributing to a more efficient and dependable drive. New tires and rims have been fitted for improved handling and a refreshed look, while the brakes have been replaced for optimal safety. Additionally, both the headlights and taillights are new, providing better visibility and a modern touch. Altogether, this F-150 combines classic styling with essential modern upgrades, making it a solid and ready-to-drive choice. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1977 Ford F-150, price $9,750, showing just 78,000 miles since new. Unlike many trucks of its era, it remains completely bone stock with no modifications, retaining its original factory trim exactly as it left the dealership. The exterior wears a timeless tan finish paired with a brown interior, both of which highlight its authenticity and originality. Even more impressive, the body is free from any structural rust, and the truck carries a genuine barn-find patina that adds to its classic charm. Under the hood lies the strong and reliable 351M V8 engine, mated to a smooth-shifting C6 automatic transmission. Together, they deliver an effortless driving experience, making this truck not only a collectible but also a pleasure to cruise in. Everything about it feels solid and dependable, from the way it starts up to the way it glides down the road.
Number 5.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, finished in blue inside and out with an automatic transmission. It runs on a rebuilt later generation 350 V8 with roughly 50,000 miles, paired to a low-mileage rebuilt 700R4 4-speed automatic. The truck features power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and an AC system converted to R134, restored about 20 years ago with more than 150,000 miles since. It has recently received front and rear brake work. Suspension is upgraded with a Beltec 2.4 lowering kit and rear air shocks, riding on 17-inch satin Kragar wheels and tires in excellent condition. Inside, it carries an aftermarket bench seat with a folding center console, while a hidden receiver hitch with brake controller adds utility. Reliable and solid, this vintage Chevy pickup runs strong with minimal body wear and aged paint, making it a desirable and classic truck ready to enjoy.
Number 6.
1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, showing only 70,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.7L engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers reliable 4x4 performance and is both capable and enjoyable to drive. The truck runs and drives great, with a brand new clutch recently installed for smooth shifting. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a gray interior, it carries a timeless look, further enhanced by 20-inch LTZ wheels that add a modern touch. The air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, ensuring comfort in any season. While the body remains solid and free of rust, it does have some minor scratches and dings that reflect its age and character. Overall, this Sierra blends durability and practicality with vintage style, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a dependable classic truck.
Number 7.
1989 Ford F250, price $4,000. This pickup is a strong and reliable truck that originally came from out west, where it has been well preserved. Under the hood, it carries a robust 7.5L V8 gasoline engine that delivers plenty of power, paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission for full driver control. The truck is finished in a clean white exterior, complemented by a simple yet durable gray interior, giving it a classic and functional look. Built with a 2WD drivetrain, it runs and drives properly, showing its solid mechanical condition. With a clean title and its reputation for durability, this F250 remains a dependable workhorse and a great option for anyone seeking a tough classic truck, whether for everyday use, projects, or collection.
Number 8.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,200. The exterior is finished in silver with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck remains largely original but features an upgraded suspension, a limited slip rear differential, and a functional 4-wheel drive system with both 4-low and 4-high working properly. The air conditioning blows ice cold while the heater works just as well, making it comfortable in any weather. It runs and shifts smoothly, is fully ready for work, and all gauges are in proper working order with no warning lights showing on the dash. Typical for a Chevrolet of this year, there is some rust, most visibly on the rockers, and a small patch on the passenger side of the bed above the wheel well, though the frame itself remains in solid condition.
Number 9.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,800. It has 222,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a brown interior, it runs on gasoline and features a 5.0 Vortec engine that has been well maintained and continues to run strong. The truck has received several recent upgrades, including new spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, air intake component, fuel filter, and distributor ignition electronics. It also comes with a fuel pump, though it may need replacement. The 4x4 system works flawlessly, and both the air conditioning and heat are fully functional.
The tires are in good condition, making it road-ready for longer drives.
While the truck occasionally stalls, it restarts immediately and continues to run smoothly afterward.
Number 10.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. This truck has 146,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in red both inside and out, the truck runs and drives fine, equipped with a 5.7L engine and a functioning 4x4 system. While the engine does produce a good amount of smoke upon startup, likely needing a valve job, it remains drivable and holds a clear title. For the past 15 years, it has been used exclusively as a farm truck, which explains the relatively low mileage. It is fitted with a set of aggressive co-op tires that suit its rugged use, and despite its workhorse history, it still offers the convenience of power locks and windows.